In today's video, I will walk you through how to offset a bill and invoice in Xero. To begin, click on the Accounting menu at the top of the Xero interface. When the drop-down menu appears, select Bank Accounts. Once you're in the Bank Accounts section, locate the bank account where you want to offset the bill or invoice. After finding the correct account, click Reconcile to open the reconciliation screen. When the reconciliation page loads, look through the transactions that are displayed until you find the transaction that includes the offset payment. After locating the correct transaction, find the Find and Match option next to it and click it to continue. A list of available invoices and bills will appear on the screen. Go through the list carefully and locate the invoices or bills that you want to offset against the selected transaction. Once you've found the correct items, check the boxes beside each invoice or bill that you want to include in the offset. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct invoices or bills before moving to the next step. After you've finished making your selections, click Reconcile to complete the match. When you confirm the reconciliation, the selected transaction will be matched with the invoices or bills that you checked. The process is straightforward. Open the Accounting menu, go to Bank Accounts, choose the correct bank account, click Reconcile, find the transaction that contains the offset payment, select Find and Match, check the invoices or bills you want to offset, and then click Reconcile. If you need to offset another bill or invoice later, simply repeat the same process. Return to the Bank Accounts section, open the appropriate bank account, click Reconcile, locate the transaction, choose Find and Match, select the relevant invoices or bills, and confirm by clicking Reconcile. Once the reconciliation is complete, the selected transaction will be matched with the invoices or bills you selected. That's all there is to offsetting a bill and invoice in Xero. Follow the same steps whenever you need to match a transaction with the appropriate invoices or bills through the reconciliation screen. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has helped you learn how to offset a bill and invoice in Xero. Please like and subscribe.